Let us begin today's session with the key five principles. It is in Japanese also, so we will get to practice a little bit of Japanese and a couple of times. So it's a 6 minute audio, and then we'll proceed to other exercises and question answer session also. Okay.
Sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes, relax. Keep your hands on your lap and touch the tip of the thumb to the tip of your index finger. This is Gyan Mudra. Now you can invoke Reiki if you are a Reiki practitioner, or just simply repeat the five principles after me. The secret method of inviting blessings, the spiritual medicine of all illness. Just for today, let go of anger, let go of worry, be grateful for everything. Work honestly and diligently. Be kind to others. Every morning and evening, sit in the gasho or prayer position. Repeat these words out loud and in your heart for the improvement of mind and body. Usui Spiritual Healing Method by the founder Mikao Usui. Let's repeat this in Japanese. Shofuku no hiho manbyo no reiyaku kyoda kewa okoruna shinpai na kansha shite gyoho hage me hito ni shinsetsu ni asayo gasho shite kokoro ni ninji kochi ni to.
Uchi ni Tonayo Shinshin Kaizen
Nayo Shinshin Kaizen Usui Reki Ryo Choso Usui Mukao. Let's understand the meaning of each sentence. Shofuku no hiho, the secret method of inviting blessings. Manbyo no reiyaku, the spiritual medicine of many illnesses. Kyoda kewa, just for today. Okoruna, let go of anger. Shinpai shuna, let go of worry. Kansha shite, be grateful. Yoho hageme, work honestly and diligently. Hito ni shinshitsu ni, be kind to others. Asa yoga sho shite, kokoro ni nenji kuchi ni tonayo. Morning and evening, sit in the gasho position or prayer position and repeat these words loudly and in your heart. Shin Shin Kaizen for improvement of body and mind. Usui Reiki Ryo, Usui Spiritual Healing Method. Chosho Usui Mikao, the founder Mikao Usui. Shofuku no Hiho, Manbyo no Reiyaku, Kyoda Kewa, Okoruna, Shinpai Shuna, Kansha Shite, Gyoho Hage Me, Hito ni Shinsetsu ni, Asayo Gasho Shite, Kokoro ni Nenji, Kuchi ni Tonae yo, Shinshin Kaizen, Usui Reki Ryo, Chaso Usui Mikao. Shofuku no Hino, Manbyo no Reiyaku, Kyoda Kewa, Okoruna, Shinpai Suna, Kansha Shite, Gyowo Hageme, Ito ni Shinsetsu ni Asayo, Kasho Shite, Kokoro ni Nenji Kuchi ni Tonayo, Shinshin Kaizen, Yusui Reki Ryo, Chaso Yusui Mikao. The secret method of inviting blessings, the spiritual medicine of many illnesses. Just for today, let go of anger, let go of worry, be grateful for everything, work honestly and diligently, be kind to others. Every morning and evening, sit in Gasho position and repeat these words loudly and in your heart for the improvement of mind and body. Usui Spiritual Healing Method by the founder Mikao Usui. Listen to this audio for the next 21 days so that it becomes a part of your daily life. And every time you listen to this, reflect on your day's events so that you can relate it to your daily life and your experience and your understanding becomes deeper. And the benefits you receive from Reiki will multiply many folds when you apply these principles to your daily life. If you wish to proceed for 7 chakra healing, you can do so, or you can slowly open your eyes.
Yeah. Okay, good. So that was Reiki 5 principles, and now let's do a Reiki bath. Uh, so I'll just play it now.
Relax, close your eyes, and place your hands on your lap, palms facing the sky, and invoke Reiki. And within seconds, the energy starts to flow into your crown, into your third eye, into your throat chakra, into your heart and your hands. After the heart chakra, it goes into the solar plexus, then the sacral chakra below the navel, and then down into the root chakra, and from root chakra, it starts to go into your feet, and it flows into the earth. And this flow will continue as long as you want. And as more and more energy flows into your chakras, it will energize the corresponding glands and organs in every part of the body. Slowly and steadily, you'll start to feel the intensity of Reiki energy increasing. All the organs, glands, tissues, muscles, all the cells of the body start to energize, start to be charged with Reiki energy. And you might start to feel a mild warmth or vibration into your body. Your aura becomes stronger, and you might also become aware of a white light energy surrounding you in all sides, forming a ball of energy, of pure white light energy, of Reiki. And as you continue to practice, you'll become more and more aware and sensitive to this energy. And when you bring your attention to your hands, the center of your palm, the fingers, fingertips, you might notice a mild sensation, tingling sensation, vibration, warmth in your hand. The mind becomes calm and relaxed, peaceful, and you can enjoy the flow of Reiki as long as you like. More and more energy continues to flow into you. All excess energy goes into the earth, and your entire surrounding starts to become charged with the positive white light energy of Reiki. You might feel that even with your eyes closed, you feel there is light, there is this kind of mild brightness within. Every time you do this, you'll feel better and better, and you'll become more and more sensitive and aware of the flow of Reiki. Whenever you want to complete, you can just thank Reiki and everyone, the spirit.
So how was the Reiki energy bath? Feeling energetic. I'm feeling a lot of energy all around. Zenny is almost in semi-trance. So, हेलो दीपा जी, कैसे हो? कैसा लगा आपको ये आपने किया अभी काफी टाइम के बाद किया होगा शायद?
सर अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा.
ओके फाइन. सो अभी हम लेट्स डू सेवन चक्रा हीलिंग. सेवन चक्रा हीलिंग हम साथ में करते हैं. सो लेट्स डू दिस.
Keep your hands on the root chakra. Close your eyes and invoke Reiki. And Reiki energy starts to flow from your crown to the third eye, throat chakra, heart chakra, solar plexus, sacral chakra, root chakra, into your hands. And it starts to accumulate around the root chakra. Slowly and steadily, the flow of Reiki will increase. The root chakra is the foundation, is nearest to the earth. Root chakra is about stability, being grounded, being connected to the earth, being practical, being active, energetic. When you heal the root chakra, whatever you need for existence on planet Earth, in abundance and prosperity, is there in your life. It takes 4 to 5 minutes normally to charge the root chakra. Sometimes it may take less time, 3 minutes or so, sometimes more. Every day is different. Just keep noticing the sensation in your hands. Notice if the energy is increasing in intensity or decreasing in intensity. The energy will increase in intensity, reach a peak, then decrease in intensity, and it will stop or become very slow. That is the time when you move on to the next chakra. Just keep noticing the flow of energy and enjoy the calmness and peace that you experience while energy is flowing through you. When you feel grateful to this universal energy, the flow of Reiki increases. You may also touch the tip of your tongue to the roof. This will also increase the flow of Reiki energy. Once you're done with this chakra, you can move on to the sacral chakra and the solar plexus chakra. You can keep one hand at the sacral chakra and the other at the solar plexus, or you can take two chakras separately. Anyway, is fine. The sacral chakra is about the reproductive system, about the social image. The solar plexus is about gut feeling, the digestive system, self image. The vibrations at these two chakras will be different. Every chakra is different. For the healing that you're receiving. As a channel, we need not do anything. Wherever we keep our hand, the Reiki energy will start to flow. Reiki is intelligent energy. Wherever there is a lack of energy, it will charge that part of the body and those organs. Just keep noticing the flow of Reiki. As you become more and more sensitive by doing meditation, you'll be able to detect even mild flow of Reiki energy. Sometimes the flow is very mild. Sometimes the flow is higher in intensity. As you go deeper and deeper in meditation, you'll be able to be sensitive to the mild flow of Reiki energy. As long as there is a flow of energy, you keep your hands here, and when you feel it is complete, then you can move on to the next chakras. Just keep noticing the flow of Reiki and continue to be thankful and grateful for this healing. The next is the heart chakra and the throat chakra. You can take each chakra separately as well, whatever suits you. The heart chakra is about relationships, love, compassion, forgiveness. The organs of the body are the heart, the lungs, etc. When you heal the heart chakra, you may feel an expansion of your heart chakra. The throat chakra is about creativity and self expression, the arts, singing, poetry. Dancing, any creative self expression, painting, sculpture, public speaking, leadership. Usually, the higher chakras will take lesser time. If there is an issue, you might feel more energy flow. In that case, you can continue as long as there is a flow of energy. Otherwise, it will usually take lesser than the root chakra. As you move to higher chakras, the vibrations are also different. We go to the third eye chakra. Third eye chakra is about intuition, good sleep, memory, all the brain functions. People who have to do a lot of mental work usually require more healing at this chakra, third eye chakra. Those who have sleep problems, they can do healing at this chakra and get very good sleep at night. And finally, we have the crown chakra. The crown chakra is our connection to the universe, to the divine. 1 minute of healing is more than enough. People who are in depression might find healing at this chakra very useful, very relaxing, very calming. Just keep noticing the flow of Reiki and how you feel about it at this chakra. At every chakra, the vibrations will be different. The flow of Reiki will be different. Just go by the flow. Once you're done, we thank Reiki energy and all involved in this healing. You can then slowly open your eyes. Keep your hands on the root chakra.
How is the seventh chakra healing? You can unmute to speak. I think almost everyone is mute, so you can unmute. Okay. So how was it Bhavan for you? Seven chakra healing.
It was good, sir.
Okay. So everyone you can share like which chakra did you feel the most energy or most amount of activity? You can chat or you can unmute and speak. Bhavan for you, which was the chakra which
Sir,
was please speak.
sir,
Which chakra did you
I
feel the
felt
most energy?
more. Sir, I felt more vibrations in root chakra.
What about Deepa, Maya, Roshni, Zeni, and who is this 7YJW4H? Okay, Roshni is saying Root Chakra and Crown Chakra, Solar Plexus and Throat Chakra. Okay. Bhavan is asking all are students or masters. So Zeni is a Reiki master. Roshni has completed level 3. Deepa, can you share like which level you have completed?
Level 1.
Level 1. And Maya, what about Maya? Okay, Maya is not able to hear. Okay, fine. So now, uh, so that was a nice like experience for everyone.